So in this video, you'll learn how to cut a video in CapCut. So the first step is to launch the app. Then you want to either open an old project, or if this is your first project, you want to tap on New Project. And then you want to select Video, and then choose your video from the options you're given from your gallery. Once you've selected your video, you want to tap on Add, and then it will be added onto the timeline. So you can see the length of this video, it's quite long. So if you want to cut it, you can do this in two ways. The first is by putting a split. And to do that, you want to move the video across, you want to move the timeline so that you get to the exact position where you want to cut the video. So for me, it's right there. And then once you've done that, you want to select the video and you want to tap on split. Next, you want to move the video further down until you reach the point where you want to split again. So for example here, and then you want to tap on split again. And then you should see you've now created 3 clips. So you have the first part, you have the part that you've just put the splits in before and after, and then you have the part after. So now if you want to delete this part, you can just select it, and then tap on delete, and it will be erased, and then the 2 clips will be merged into one. So you can see the 2 clips have been merged into one, and you can even choose to add a transition. Alternatively, if you don't actually delete any part, but you still want to be able to shorten your video, what you can do is simply start by selecting the video, like that. Then once you've selected it, you should see a handle at the beginning and a handle at the end of the video. So this handle allows you to adjust the video length to your liking. So for example, I can just press on the handle and then drag my video. And as I drag, you can see the length of the video shortening. So if I let go of the screen, like that, now my video is that exact length. That means I've shortened it without actually deleting any parts. So if you want to come and undo that, then you can do that very easily by just tapping on this back button. So it's up to you to decide which option you prefer to use when it comes to editing your project. Then when you're happy, you can now continue editing, or if you're done, you can just tap on export and save it onto your gallery. Then you can choose to upload it or share it with anyone you want to. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.